Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to the grocery haul. Today let's start with the frozen items. By the way, all the items are gonna be linked in the description box with the price. So if you wanna take a look at the description box, it's gonna be there. First, the MOCHI green tea. And at the end, I'm gonna taste some items. Second, we have I don't know how to pronounce it, ube ice cream. I'm really excited to taste this out. I got 2 egg frittata. I really love them, and my daughter too. And on Saturday morning, I'm gonna do like a McMuffin with not a McMuffin, but you know, like McDonald's, like the bread English muffin with the egg and the bacon. So I got these. And this, we really like it, me and my 10-year-old girl. It's the GNOCCHI al Gorgonzola. Now for the refrigerated items, this is my first time buying the orange juice. I heard someone in a video say it was good, so I got this. I got also the whipped cream cheese, white sliced mushrooms. I got again the mini stick salami, the smoked salmon. I wanted to try the sushi, so I'm gonna try it at the end of the video. Sliced black forest ham. I want to do again the Keto Connect cauliflower mac and cheese. I did a video if you want to watch it. The only thing is I want to add some ham in it, so I bought some ham. I got the pizza dough for a recipe that I want to try out. Next, I got bacon for the Saturday morning breakfast. I got milk, shredded sharp cheese for the mac and cheese recipe, and this is pasture-raised eggs, and actually it's a really good price. It's $3.99 for the pasture-raised. It's a really good price. And finally, the sliced provolone for recipe that I'm trying out. And finally, for the pantry and the bread items, I got the English muffins. I got baton wafer cookies. This is new. I'm gonna taste this. Guys, I cannot wait to do the taste as I'm so hungry. Next, the reduced sugar cherry preserves. I got one for my mom last week, but I got another one to test the recipe with it. The potato chips. These I think are new too. The dark cover pretzels. I didn't, last week they were out of stock at my store, so I got these. I got again they changed the look of it. The peanut snack Bamba. Now I got the new pink sauce, Primavera pasta sauce to try. I got the new soft baked cookies, peanut butter chocolate chips. Usually I get the other ones, the other plantain chips, but this week I said I'm gonna try the jerk style. I never tried it. Tell me in the comments if you tried it. I got the miso ginger broth. I thought I would do put these noodles and do kind of a ramen bowl, you know, but with these noodles and with the sliced mushroom and umami seasoning. It's gonna make a good soup. The chili lime seasoning. I saw, I think on Instagram, I saw someone with tasting watermelon with this. So I'm gonna test this out, see if I like it. Now this is new. It's called mini gummy bears on a chocolate pool day. So it looks like this. I'm gonna open it in the taste test. I got a slice Canadian bread, and lastly the noodles, spinach and chive linguine pasta. So I got 2 of these. Now the taste test. Okay, I'm gonna start by the green tea mochi. It's really good. I love this one. I tried, they had another one that I tried that I didn't like, but this one I like. It's really good. It's just the other one, it was not sweet enough, but this one is okay. Next, I'm gonna taste this ice cream. Interesting taste, it's good. It's really good actually. Well, it's ice cream, so it's really good. I'm gonna purchase this again. Now I'm gonna taste the smoked salmon filet roll. So inside you have the little soy sauce, the wasabi, and what is this? Oh, I love this, the ginger. It's so cute in a little pack. Me, I'm not using the wasabi. Are you a fan of this? Me, it's too spicy for me. I'm gonna keep some for my daughter. She's gonna be so happy after school. So I put a little bit of ginger and soy sauce. Do I put it all in my mouth? It's good. I prefer another kind, not from Trader Joe, but I think next time I'm gonna try another, but they're really good. Next I'm gonna try the potato chips. Oh, they mix two kind. It says sea salt vinegar, and there's also ketchup. The ketchup one, it's really good. Yeah, if you love ketchup chips, it's gonna be you're gonna like this. Now I'm gonna try the chili lime with the watermelon. I'm not sure about that. Just a little bit. Yep. Oh wow. It's really good. Yeah. I did try watermelon with you know, a little bit of lime, squeezed lime, but it's really good. You have to try it. Now I'm gonna try this sauce, but only like this. Like I don't have cooked pasta, so. I like it. It's just a little beet taste, but it's good if you like beet. And with a maybe a cheese tortellini or just a regular pasta. Oh, it's good. It's the only like beet taste that I'm not a fan of, but like I said, I don't like beet too much, so. Next I'm gonna taste the jerk style. Jerk style plantain. I prefer the other one that I buy, but it's good. Now this should be good. How do you open this? Oh. It reminds me when my family, we had a restaurant and we were selling these kind of wafer, but there was a chocolate inside. It's really good. You can taste the vanilla. Now I'm gonna show you the inside of this. So The jelly beans in the chocolate. It's interesting. The texture of the jelly bean. I never thought of eating chocolate at the same time of it. Oh, it would be good actually. I'm gonna keep it for my girls. They're gonna be like, wow. So this is it, guys. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And also don't forget to comment any suggestion, or if you want me to try something that you never tried and you want me to try it. So okay, have a nice weekend. Bye.